everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in this video, I will be sharing with you a 3-step at-home argan oil enriched hair spa that will make your hair look amazing. They will be shiny, they will be extremely manageable, it will help tackle your frizz, it will also help reduce hair fall, and did I mention it will make your hair smell amazing? Yeah, so without any further ado, I will dive right into the video and I hope you will love it. First of all, we are going to make our very own argan oil infused hair mask, and for that you will need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a clean bowl. Now of course you have to melt it so that it's easier to mix other ingredients, and then I'm going to take 8 to 10 drops of argan oil, and once that is done I am going to take 1 tablespoon of honey. Now try that this is raw honey because it will have better benefits for your hair. I have tried it previously, so I know that. And then I would suggest that you heat it up again so that they are all mixed in together and the mixture has a really nice golden color. And then just make different sections and apply the mixture on your hair nicely. Give yourself a good massage to make sure you stimulate blood circulation, and it really calms down your senses as well. And never ever forget the length of your hair. Make sure that you are really drenching the length of your hair with with this concoction that we have created, and with the tips of your fingers give yourself a really good massage that will really calm you down as well. And then just tie your hair into a bun, and then take this microfiber towel cap, just dip this into hot water just to warm it up, and then wrap your hair with this cap. It generally comes with this sort of system and you have to just lock it up like that, and then keep it for at least 30 minutes to an hour. I like to keep it as long as I can, and then I'm going to remove the cap, and I will continue with shampoo and conditioner. And the shampoo that I will be using today is from Wow Skin Science. It's the argan oil infused shampoo. The good thing about these products are that they are free from parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, all that shady stuff, and they have some really good interesting ingredients. Argan oil is something that I absolutely love for my hair and skin, so yeah, you should definitely try this one. Now these shampoos take a little while to lather up, so you'll have to work with it. Keep adding more water to create the lather, and once that's done I'm going to use the conditioner from the same range. I love this conditioner. It has a very mild nutty scent. It doesn't really last long, but I really like it, and it really conditions your hair so nicely and makes your hair so soft. I love this one, and I'm just going to take a coin size amount, and I'm going to rub it through the lengths of my hair, and really going to concentrate on the ends. And you should not really apply conditioner on your anywhere near your scalp, otherwise it will weigh your hair down. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and then I'm going to wash it off, and then I'm going to just use this cotton towel. Always use this cotton towel and not a regular one, because that makes your hair frizzy. So I'll use this one and drain out the excess water, and then I'll let my hair air dry. And this is how they look once they are completely dry. They are shiny, they are manageable. I can literally comb it through with my fingers, and it was such a nice feeling, to be honest. So yeah, I really loved this quick argan oil infused hair spa. I hope you like it too. So that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will be trying it out soon. And if you haven't subscribed already, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you're notified each and every time I'm here on YouTube. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, and also let's chat in the comment section. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.